Good morning, guys. So we're gonna be heading out today. We're still at the American Inn. As you can see, we just had breakfast and we are gonna head out. So the rest of the group, they came by here early. They passed us. They are gonna be waiting at the lighthouse in Two Harbor. So we are gonna head over there in Two Harbor. So see you guys over there. Alright guys, right now we are at Two Harbor by the lighthouse. So right there behind me, my first impression when coming down here was like, what the hell, is the water so high that the lighthouse underwater? But no, it's actually the fog. So here we go.
Hello.
Who's that stranger there?
Hello.
It was some Missouri guy.
Hello, sao man? You know a lot.
You guys walked to the lighthouse yet?
Yeah. Is that Ray? Yeah. Oh my gosh, Ray! Are you too?
So,
you look so different.
that's my sister and Yuki.
Hi, Asia. Come here. Hug. Come
My sister
here.
that came from Missouri.
Hug Auntie. Yeah. Xavier.
Brother from Brooklyn Center. Woo! Good. We thought that the lighthouse underwater. Hey, check who is this little cutie? Who are you? Who are you? Where's the rest of the Missouri kids?
Right there.
Whoa! Kailan ko tali? Oh, niya yo.
I don't like I broke it. Did you break? Yes. Ooh, what's inside?
So right now we're at Black Beach in Silver Bay. We're gonna stop here, pit stop here for lunch and hang out.
Oh, camera's on me.
It's so cold. You gonna be crazy, man?
No, it's not just so cold. I'm going.
The water is cold.
I know.
Alright guys, so right now we're finally at camp. This is Lamb's Resort. This whole place belonged to us tonight, this weekend. So you know how it is, man. We're gonna party.
So it makes us feel like we're on north side.
We're just chilling. You know, everybody was setting up hard. And we're just chilling,
Yeah, on north side.
drinking.
Well, guess what? We're from East Side St. Paul.
Oh, we're from Brooklyn Park. Oh, okay, it's cool. It could be loud, right?
Morning, guys. This is Saturday morning. Roughly about 6, 7, right there, about 7 a.m. in the morning. So we got more group member that came by this morning just to cook breakfast. Yes, they came early just to cook breakfast. Most of everybody's still asleep. Beautiful morning. Beautiful sunny day. Well, so we got this hiking trail by the campsite here that we're gonna take and see where it was. The original plan was head up to Temperance River and go up to Carlton Peak, but seems like you know, the trail going up to Carlton Peak was a little bit too harsh. So there's a lot of kids. If you've seen the video, you know, we got a lot of small children. So we planned that let's just go somewhere close and easy. That way, if we do need to come back, it's gonna be easier for us, for the kids. So, I mean, this trail is supposed to be rugged too. We'll see though. job, guys. Good job. Not tiring you, huh? Good job, huh? Woo! Well, look at now. Some spooky old cabin. All broken in. Looks scary. Looks like some of those from those horror movies. Car's coming. This one's really beat up. Part of it is falling down already. Go check it out. Want to go check out those haunted cabins. $50. Who spend the night? $50 to spend the night. Come on, $50. Hey, you know what? I am not gonna go all the way back up there around. Shortcut campsite just down that way across the river. I'm gonna river cross. There's a little stream. It's doable. Those rocks is really shallow. The river is warm too, so it's not crazy cold like Lake Superior. So I'm gonna do it. All right, let's go.
We'll come swim right here. It's warmer right here. Yeah, we want get on the water. Down.
I know, right? They should be in the opposite too. Switch with one.
Okay, no hitting in the head, okay? Okay, go. Go! Go!
Oh, you got
Oh! That's what fell down first. Next.
That's the fun part in the head.
Okay, if you're out, sit down. If you're still in, stand up, okay? Oh, that's the head. Whoa. I don't know. Gotta go redo that. That rock is super small. Okay, go! Hey, I lost!
one. Okay. Don't move the rock. Aussie's gonna lose. Ready?
Okay, you can't stay on 2, then stay on 1.
There we go. Can't even balance yourself. Whoa.
Uh-oh, how's that a fair game?
Okay, go.
Come on, you did.
You fell. Good job, baby. Good luck, try next.
Come on, we'll see at least one big swing.
Eat that. Yep. There you
Ethan,
go.
aim
Nice.
for the
You got
leg.
It rotates around. That's right.
Right in the head, right in the
Hey,
head.
we gotta do this at the stream. Where there's rocks.
In the water?
Yeah.
Okay. Go.
Come on, you got boots on.
Same way, you can stand straight.
There you go.
Go.
Come on, Xavier.
Oh.
Rocks are too shaky.
Yep.
I think they need a new rock.
Okay, ready?
We'll take it out.
Go.
Take it out.
Okay, who else is left?
They only got 3 guys left.
3? Okay, what about this team? Oh, there's still 3 of them left too?
Oh, look at that baseball grip.
Okay, go.
Home run.
There you gotta go against Anais, man. Anais hit like a champion.
Hey, Anais, you should be with the down under the cage.
Holding back. You can tell she's holding back.
She played baseball. You know how hard she swings that bat?
Softball. She's going to correct you.
Oh, you're the only one left.
Okay, do it again, do it again. Wait till we say go. Okay, ready? Go. Good match.
There you go, final!
Oh, 你咪是皮的哟。We knew it, man. We knew it.
Home run. Home run.
Ready, go.
Yeah.